My name is Michael Eder Jr. B. Sati Blackboard, July 16, 2026. A modern institution will fully develop academic, technical, vocational education, and skill of manpower with positive work attitude anchored in the core values, leadership, and professional essential in the creation of self-reliant citizen. Uh, to build wealthy and competent and employable professionals who will meet the demand and who will meet the demand of the local and international workplaces. TMC aims at evolving a whole individual as a child of God and a member of democratic society who is professional, competent, and can provide leadership and advisory will train in a certain vocation not only to help himself but to help others. And practicality is possible and obedience to the laws of God and to the laws of government. TMC adheres to the philosophy that education is life and growth, guided by faith in God and love of the fellow man and an environment, competitiveness, professionalism, and excellence. TMC is committed to the public educational services si Kantonan. Slita dong.